चिखले वाठारातल्या अभिषेक इंजिनियर्स ह्या शिपयार्डाची पंचायत अधिकारी, एमपीटी अधिकारी आणि चिखले नागरिक कृती समितीच्या लोकांनी शुक्रारा तपासणी केली। ह्या शिपयार्डात बेकायदेशीर कामां चलतात अशी कागाळ चिखले नागरिक समितीन हायकोर्टात केल्या। त्या खातीर अभिषेक इंजिनियर्स वाठाराची तपासणी करपाचो आदेश हायकोर्टान दिल्लो। तो अहवाल कोर्टाक दितले अशें पंचायत सचिवान सांगले।
चिखली पंचायत, एमपीटी अधिकारी आणि चिखली नागरिक कृती समितीच्या वांगड्यांनी शुक्रारा चिखलेच्या अभिषेक इंजिनियर्स वाठाराची तपासणी केली। या वाठारान बेकायदेशीर गजाली जाल्ल्याचे तपासणेन दिसून आयला अशें समितीचो सचिव रुई आरावजो म्हणटा। हायकोर्टाच्या आदेशावेल्यान ही तपासणी केली।
The outcome is we had the MPT officials, the members of the panchayat, and the Shikali village action committee. Okay. It was noticed that there was mud filling over there. There's a reclamation done by him. As well as there was batch cutting activity which was held earlier, and the scrap material was dumped over there. Order says that he should maintain status quo from the 1st of December 2014. And there was another order passed on the 16th of December 2014 stating that the interim order that was issued earlier continues.
चिखले पंचायतीचो सचिव सिद्धेश फळदेसाय मिडिया लागी उलोवपाक तयार ना।
सायट इन्स्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट केल्लो आसा न्ही, तो मागीर हे करतले। आमी सगळे बरोवन घेतलेलो आसा, सगळो सायट इन्स्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट जॉयंट सायट इन्स्पेक्शन केल्लो आसा।
प्रुडंटा खातीर दिशान परब।
ह्या सिजनाच्या आय लीगात सुरवातेच्यो 2 मॅची जिखून रॉयल वांगडून नेटान खेळ केला। आय लीगात पयलेच फावट खेळपी शिलाँगचो हो क्लब आतां आनीकय नेटान खेळटलो हातूंत दुबाव ना। शुक्रारा सांजे तांणी खडेगाट साळगांवकाराक हारोवन आनीकय उर्बा जोडली। दुसरे वटेन आपलो पंगड गोल मारपाच्यो संदी वगडायता म्हण साळगांवकाराचो कोच डेरिक परेरा बेजार जाला।
And we are improving, but that win it's very important for this young team, which gives a big boost. Like we started very well in Shillong, and now come up away match also is like almost 18 hours journey we have day before yesterday, and then that's important that everyone giving life on the ground. That's I believe it's very important, and I have not decided this year target. I just told the boys go play free, you achieve the I League, and then enjoy that environment, give your best. No target for you, don't come under pressure. Them also.
I think the lapse in consideration at the back. We are dominating, we are keeping possession, we are creating chances up front. The loss in concentration at the back cost us today's match. Yeah, we did well, especially in the second half. We created a lot of chances, but like you say, the ball was wouldn't enter the net.
Yeah, what's your opinion of the players who are actually creating the chances, not scoring open goals also? You know, that has to hurt the team.
Yeah, no, especially Jairu today, he was a bit out of sorts. Like, you know, he should have kept his composure at crucial times. That was missing in him today.
इतल्या खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता। नमस्कार।
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट। यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट।